Hens and Roosters. The hen's music is played by the violin and viola. They play a spiky, jumpy tune which sounds just like hens scratching around, clucking and squawking to each other. Can you hear the high trills of the piano? That's the rooster. Look at me, he seems to cry. The rooster wants the hens to stop their clucking and admire him, but the hens take no notice. Now the clarinet plays the part of the rooster, but you can hardly hear him above the noise as the hens carry on scratching and clucking. Do you think that poor rooster will ever make himself heard?